Can VAPI Assistant get real data from your CRM? The answer to this question is yes. If this sounds interesting to you, let's get into this video. So, as you have seen that we have been using this dashboard for a longer period of time, and actually we create a static assistant at this tab using the assistant tab, right? And we define some first message, system prompt, and we also select the GPTs. So we have designed it in our previous videos, but today what we are going to discuss is that can we actually put the dynamic data inside the first message? Can we actually put the customer customer details, like customer address, customer purchasing, this kind of personalized information inside our VAPI assistant? Because as you know that once our assistant is going to call to the customer, and it provide a very personalized behavior to the customer by providing the first name of the customer, and also the order, and also the products which the customer is currently using. If our VAPI assistant has those kind of information with it, then it is going to create a very personalized experience for the customers. So that is also going to be a win-win situation for the businesses who have implemented this VAPI system, right? So how we are going to achieve it? We are going to achieve it through VAPI APIs, right? So how we can achieve it? We need to actually go to the help section here, and we need to go to the API documentation, right? So as you know that APIs are actually the gateway to communicate with the application in the way they have designed it, right? So all of those operations which we did through this VAPI interface or VAPI UI, we can do all of that stuff using this APIs, right? We try to use this create assistant API, and we understand that we are not going to provide same assistant to all of the customers, right? We're going to change the assistant for each customer, and this is the key here, right? Whole concept is that whenever you are making a call to a customer, you will be creating a new assistant for each customer, and that assistant would have the customized information for that customer. So how we are going to create this assistant using this API? Actually, we need to follow this documentation of VAPI, and if we read through this, we can see that this is the endpoint which we need to hit, and we need to provide all of this information inside the request. Like we need to provide again transcriber, model, voice, first message, and similarly going down, we need to provide server message, and some of these are optional, some of these are required. We can skip some of them. Just like we created a new assistant through the UI, we can create this assistant from the documentation. So as you know that I initially told in the start of the video that you would need a CRM, or you would need a database where you would be having the customer's information, and whenever you are placing a call to any customer, you know his name, the products which he is purchasing from you, and all of the information about your customer, right? Right now I'm using make.com, but if you have your own CRM, you can integrate your CRM with VAPI just by calling this API. This API is generic. You can use any software, any automation software, or any CRM with this. If it's N8N, you can use N8N. If you have make.com, you can use make.com. If you have your own software which has the capability to call different APIs and provide a certain information to that, then you can obviously update this object, this JSON body, to that. Right now you can see that I'm providing customer ID dynamically in this way, and I'm also providing abandoned checkout URL. Actually, this workflow is was designed to call the customers who have abandoned their checkout, uh, right? So this workflow is actually handling that way. And here you can see that I am providing dynamic name of the customer, like it's saying hi. And if you see the value which is coming here, you can actually get the value from here, right? So every time if we have a different customer, it is going to call different name here, right? So in this way, you can see that at each step I have actually modified this object of assistant and injected my custom values into that. And in that way, whenever I would be making a request to this URL/call, it would be updated all of the values according to the customer, right? So in that way, actually it would create a new assistant here for that specific customer, and then it is going to make a call with that customer. It is going to provide a very customized behavior and customized response. So this is just one example which I have shown you. There are plenty of options which you can do with this API reference inside VAPI. You can actually even create phone numbers using this beautiful actually API. As we initially did, we went inside the phone number and we created a phone number by our UI. You can do it from this APIs as well if you have a CRM integrated with it. Or you can, if you don't have the CRM, you can always use different automation tools like make.com, like N8, and you can use a lot of automation tools. So I think that concludes this session for today. Actually, now you have a little bit of knowledge to actually go through this documentation, and also do some tweaking with this Postman, and do some requests to the VAPI APIs, and you can dynamically inject values into your assistants. So give it a try at your end. Until then, take care. Bye bye.